Good afternoon, sixth grade. Good afternoon. We're gonna do pretty much the same thing that we did yesterday. We're gonna start with a warm-up that's looking for a unit rate. We are going to take any questions and get everybody where they need to be, whether it's makeup work, the test, or pushing forward with the spiral review. Hey, Alex, how are you, man? Okay, excellent. So find the cost for one. A pack of 24 markers costs $4.99. If you guys get stuck, please use a double number line or table to help you out. No guesswork. Those models will definitely help you get to the correct part of the equivalent ratio. We only have about 45 minutes today, so I'm going to just push forward with this. I want everybody where they need to be quickly, because today is your specials day, so it's a little bit shorter. So we want the price for one, right? The price for one, and they're telling us that 24 markers a pack would actually be $4.99. Now, technically, when things come in bulk like this, it's usually a cheaper rate than if you bought something like one, right? Because you could go to like Michael's or other places, like I think even Walmart does this. They'll have pencils, markers for artists, or at least if someone's taking an art class, they'll sell them separately so that you can buy them individually. But those are probably more expensive, a more expensive rate than buying it in bulk. For the purpose of mathematics and for the purpose of the problem and studying unit rates and ratios, we're just going to say that, okay, it's the same rate, so how much is it for one? And sometimes, as a customer, you want that information anyway, because you want to compare what's the better buy. So looking at the price for one, and you're going to see that in the next book, really, comparing unit rates so that you can decide what is the better deal. And the one with the cheaper unit rate is going to be the better deal. Okay, so how do we figure this out, and what do we got? Hey, Ashley, how are you? Good to see you guys. We're just doing our warm-up, Ashley. The 24 markers cost $4.99, so I need to know from you guys what you think. All right, that's good to hear. I'm glad you're doing okay. What you think the price for one marker is, and how do you know? I cannot get the answer. It is hard. Really? I'm surprised. Okay, what do you prefer, double number lines or tables? Because if you get stuck, that's what you have to do. Okay, I shouldn't say you have to, but they're options. Okay. What do you prefer, Alex? Miss, can we finish the edge elastic? Absolutely. We're just gonna finish the warm up first to get warmed up, okay? Get that brain going. Double number line. Okay, I like that for unit rate too, because you skip count with a double number line. It's not that I don't like tables. I love tables, especially in 7th grade. For those topics. Okay, what are the two quantities that we're comparing? The two quantities that we're comparing, you should tell me that we're comparing markers and their cost, right? And this is a discrete number. And Alex is telling us that the information given is that for 24 markers, it's going to cost $4.99. Now the question is looking for one marker. What is the cost for one marker? So if I had one marker, the question is, what would it cost? And that doesn't look like a question mark, does it? That's a little bit better. Okay, and now this is why I really like using a double number line or a table, because now it's very obvious what you have to do. There's no guesswork. The model helps guide your method. How do you get from 24 to 1? You only have two ways that you can get from 24 to 1. You either have to divide 24 by 24 to get 1, or you have to multiply by its reciprocal. No matter which way you choose, you are still going to get 1. And we've been doing the division one a lot. We've been saying, okay, 24 divided by 24 is 1. So that means I have to take this number. If I want the part of the equivalent ratio that I'm looking for, I have to do it this way. 24.99 divided by 24. And you should get some crazy number that repeats, right? If you do it correctly, you have to type that in first, right? Order matters. I have a 6 repeating on mine. Now, this is where it becomes really important for you as the thinker. You as the math student have to make sense out of this number. We're talking about money, and money doesn't continue forever. It does in the calculation, but not when you tell someone, okay, this is what you have to pay me. What would a cashier tell the person that they have to pay them in order to purchase the one marker? This number, there's no dollars here, and how many cents? No, not 20 cents. Nice try. Look over here. 5 and up, round it up, so it's 21 cents. Okay? That's okay. Do you guys have any questions on that warm-up? Because if not, we'll go ahead and get everybody where they need to be. Alex, are you finishing up part 3? I need to open that for you. Or did you finish it and I have to grade it? It looks like I have to grade it for you. Yeah, you submitted it. I was supposed to grade that. Okay. Oh, cool. So then, Alex, if you double check your on-course to see if you have anything that you have to make up, because now you can do makeup work before the end of the marking period. And if you don't have anything to make up, then you can get into the spiral review that's on Edulastic. Now, Rusmeli, my dear, what do I have to do for you? Were you on part 2, dear? Or did you submit that? I think you actually had 2 things going on, did you not? This one says submitted, and then that's why I gave you the other one. All right, let's check the other one. Let's see if you need that open. Yes, you need this one open. Okay, let's get this open for you so that you can finish it up. Okay, Rusmeli, it's all opened up for you. You go ahead and get to it. Yes, yep, got it. It's open now. Okay, anybody else? Ashley. Let's see where Ashley is. Ashley, maybe part 2, according to my tracker. Let's see. Part 2, Duncan. Yes, let me open this up for you then. So Ashley, part 2 is open. You just have to get on there and continue. And at 2:30, we're going to stop so that I can stream for 8th grade. Okay? Any questions, guys? And I'll start grading the ones that I need to grade. Okay. Alex, everything looks good in your on course actually. There's a couple of things that you have room for improvement on. It looks like in Moby Max you did not do your two of your statistics ones. One of it is called statistical questions and the other one is called summarizing numerical data. I do need you to do that because statistics is one of the last units that we do. However, due to everything that's going on, I don't know if we're going to get to that book. So I'm trying to, it's like a safety net. I put the statistics out there in Moby for you guys because I need you to have exposure to statistics. All right, let's see what we got here. Nice. All right, where is your test? Okay, Alex, I don't know how long it takes to update on the student end, but I've updated your test. You did very nicely. Good job. I'm proud of you. Everybody okay out there? You guys are quiet. Oh boy. This is not going to go well. Guys, I have to stop. I have to stream for 8th grade. So if you are on Edulastic, I need you to click on a different problem so that I can pause it. And I need to stop the stream. So are there any last questions before we go? Please click on a different problem to save your work. You do not have to submit. I will pause it for you. So Miss Melanie, Ashley, I need you to tell me. And then Alex, I'll see you tomorrow because I know you're on Moby. If you have questions, don't feel pressured to finish it because I could go over any problems that you need me to. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow.